Hi, it's Nick Ronald, and I am the founder of a #1 copywriting community on Facebook. If you want to improve your copywriting, you want to learn to write with power, you want to get your message across more effectively, you want to be able to influence people for your marketing copy, then join the group for everyone at any level, and I share regular tips and strategies for easy to implement ways to improve your copywriting. Literally search on Facebook for the #1 copywriting community. I regularly share tips around communications and influence on my YouTube channel, Seek Influence TV, and this video is to go with the ebook 7 Steps to Writing Killer Headlines. This ebook is available for free to download from the #1 copywriting community group on Facebook, but also you can get it for free if you go to www.howtowritekillerheadlines.com. Headlines are the gateway. You want people to write your content, read your content, and you want people to engage with content. You want people to take a certain call of action. They're going to have to go past the headline. The headline is just that first step. And 80% of people don't go past the headline. So 80% of audience gets lost. It's lost traffic, lost leads, lost customers. So you need headlines that have impact, that it hits people in, it hooks them in and gets them to read your key messages. So, 6th step today to go over this guide is the importance of being ultra specific. So what do I mean by that? Well, you need to know your audience and tailor your message and copywriting to your audience. I've covered this a bit in some of the other steps, a bit of an overlap about keeping it relevant and personalizing. So be ultra specific. By that, the 2 main ways of doing it is to use numbers and use keywords. So for example, rather than learn how to be a good online stockbroker, you could say the 5 top ways to be an online stockbroker. If you wanted to say how to make a passive income, the 5 secrets to making a passive income. Being specific, giving numbers is always good. It gives people a sort of target in mind. It gives people a more realistic, specific approach. So it's rather this generic, general approach that seems sort of a bit vague, but could approach, could suit everyone. But you're sort of in your mind subconsciously wondering, well, how long will it take? How will I do that? Is that for everyone? How long will that? People don't want to do something that will take forever without a set, clear structure and points, numbered ways. Give that. So always use numbers. 5 top ways, 7 key secrets, or the 7 steps to writing killer headlines. The next one is keywords. Keywords are so important because we relate to keywords and connect with them, and when we scan through copy, we're subconsciously looking out for and picking up keywords. So also it's extremely important nowadays with SEO, so search engine optimization. If you want your copy to be found online, whether you're posting social media on a website, in a blog, you want it to be found in searches. And one of the ways you can get your copy to be found in searches is by making sure that your headline and your copy and your alt descriptions for images, etc., contain those keywords. So if someone is searching for how to set up a business online, you want to have those relevant keywords in the headline, in the copy, so that when you type for it, Google will search and it'll bring back regular articles, regular content, and that will be your content. So let's assume a keyword is vegan, and someone's interested in a vegan diet, and you do vegan recipes and vegan cookbook and cookery lessons. You want to make sure that vegan obviously appears in the copy itself. You don't want to just stuff it in randomly. It's got to be put in appropriately and realistically and logically, but it's in the headline. So you don't miss an opportunity there. Show that that the article, the advert is about a vegan recipe. So it could be how to start a vegan business working from home. That clearly tells you what the article's going to be about. It's a how-to, so you're going to learn something. It's a vegan business, not just any business. It's not just any online business. It's a vegan business, a vegan diet business, and it's from home. An even better way, throw those numbers in. So the ideal way was something like 3 simple steps to starting a vegan diet business from home. You've got the numbers in, the specific, how long will it take? How many steps? 3. It takes 3 steps, 3 simple steps. What is it? It's a vegan business. So it appeals to vegans straight away. If you're a vegan, you're going to be interested. Who's the audience? Who's the market? It's vegans who want to start a business from home. So make sure you include the target headline and also the in a heading and also subheadings. So for example, often in a heading you could have 3 easy steps to starting a vegan business at home. And then subheadings could be researching vegan businesses. The second subheading could be types of vegan businesses. So it's got to be relevant. It's got to make sense. Don't just stuff the keywords in. Don't just use them everywhere willy-nilly. But if it's relevant, it can be in a headline and subheaders. So that's it. Step 6: be ultra specific. Thank you.